Hey, trig class, we're going to look at finding the values of all the 6 trig functions with a right triangle given 2 of these sides. Okay, you can always find, because we've got a right triangle, if you're given 2 sides, you can always find the third side with Pythagorean theorem. So we would set this up. This is C, this is the hypotenuse, this is the longest side, so we're going to take the square root of the sum of these squares. So 28 squared plus 21 squared. All right, now you'd hope this is a whole number, but if it's not, we just deal with the simplified form of the radical. And there's a video that I've already made talking about how to simplify a radical. All right, so let's look at 28 squared plus 21 squared and see what we get. I get 1225, and now I want to take the square root of that, and I get 35. So this does end up being a whole number, so that third side is 35. All right, now when we set up the right triangles, okay, there's theta. B is opposite. So I'm going to put OPP over the 21. And then A is adjacent. Adjacent means it forms the angle that we're talking about with the hypotenuse. So you notice that side A is right beside the angle that we're talking about here. So side A is the adjacent side. And then C is the hypotenuse. So sine is defined to be the opposite over the hypotenuse. So in this case, the opposite side is B, so that's 21, over the C, the 35. Okay, so there is the value of sine, but notice what it says here, simplify your answer. So I would, unless you are comfortable with simplifying fractions, which you're just going to, in this case, divide out this common 7 from the top and bottom, you can use Desmos to help you with this. So I'm going to put 21 over 35 in there, and then just click this button, and there's 3/5. So there's my fractional answer here. All right, and then I can do the same thing for the cosine. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so that's the 28 over 35. All right, same thing, click that button to change it to a fraction, so that's 4/5. All right, and then tangent is opposite over adjacent. I didn't need to find the hypotenuse to do tangent. It is B 21 over A. So once again, click the button to change it into a fraction. So there's 3/4, that's tangent. Now the nice thing about the last 3 is they're just the reciprocals of the first 3. You just need to know who's reciprocal. So cosecant, when we're doing now, is the reciprocal of sine. So flip that over, put the 5 on the top, the 3 on the bottom, and you got cosecant. All right, same thing. Secant is reciprocal of cosine. So 5 on top, 4 on the bottom. Finally, cotangent is reciprocal of tangent. So tangent is 3/4. So cotangent then is 4. All right, so that is how I can find the values of all 6 trig functions given 2 of the 3 sides of a right triangle.